Yeah, touched it. Yeah. Have you squeezed it real hard though?
No.
Okay. It looks really irritated though. I can tell you that now. Has it drained?
No.
Okay. Now, so everybody knows, what we've done is we took one of these little gauzes and we put some viscous lidocaine. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little needle here and see if we can't open this lesion up. And this looks like a stye that's just gone horribly wrong. And see if we can get it to drain a little bit. Are you ready?
Ready.
I'm going to try to keep any debris from getting into on your eye. All right, here we go. Do you feel a little stick there?
Oh, just minor.
A little bit.
I saw something.
Yeah, I saw something come out. Now we're just going to give this a gentle little kind of squeeze and see if we can get this to come out.
Okay.
It's starting to come out, Gonzo. Can we get a culturette?
Yes.
So we can take a wound culture here. This is presumptive staph. We think that you have a staph infection on this eyelid, okay? It looks like basically a stye, which stye is a collection of oil that gets plugged in the eyelid. Usually people squeeze them a little bit and that makes them bigger, not always. But we think this is a stye that's just gotten secondarily infected. All right, here we go.
I don't know how to tie my shoe.
You know, kind of random. Just send that for a culture for me. Let's close that eye again. I'm going to put this needle over here, so try not to move around a lot, okay? Let's see if we can get some more out of that for you. If you start hurting a lot, you tell me, okay?
Is
that hurting?
Right. No, that's fine.
Well, maybe our anesthesia did work, huh?
A little bit. He has no comment.
No comment on the anesthesia?
No.
This looks a lot better already.
Okay.
So what we're going to have you do, take some antibiotics. We're going to give you an antibiotic shot. That one you felt a little bit.
Yeah.
We're done. And I'm going to have you do warm compresses on this.
Okay.
Where you just get a washcloth, get it under some warm water, and then kind of lay it over the eye there, over the eyelid that's closed. And it should help it kind of drain.
All right.
Do you have any questions for us?
Nope.
Miguel, man, you're awesome. Thanks for letting us record your procedure and share it on YouTube with all our fans.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video. I took mine. How about you?
Coconut loves Meta 7, okay? Why? Because look, I could not get comfortable for anything last night. I went to sleep at 1 o'clock this morning, woke myself up around 5, and I have been knocking patients out all day nonstop, and I still have a whole mess of energy. Thank you, Dr. Gilmore, for making Meta 7.
Okay, so you took Meta 7 this morning.
Yeah, I take it every morning.
You take it every morning. And so even though you had a hard time sleeping last night, you took Meta 7 this morning, and now you are a medical assistant machine.
I am a machine. I'm a tank.
Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case, and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.